Unraveling the mystery, elephants on parade. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, with a special focus on elephants on parade. This expression might conjure up vivid images in your mind, but what does it actually mean? Stick with us as we explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, elephants on parade, doesn't refer to actual elephants walking down the street. Instead, it's a metaphorical or idiomatic expression. It can be used to describe a situation where there is a large, noticeable display of something, often in a way that is hard to ignore. Imagine something as big and as attention-grabbing as elephants marching through a town. That's the kind of impact or visibility we're talking about. While the exact origins of elephants on parade are a bit murky, it's often associated with parades in circuses where elephants would march in a line as a spectacle for the audience. This was one of the highlights and a grand display that captured everyone's attention. The phrase has since evolved to symbolize any grand display or a sequence of events that is hard to miss. You can use elephants on parade in various contexts. For example, describing a grand display. The New Year's fireworks were like elephants on parade, lighting up the night sky. Talking about something that stands out. With all the celebrities at the event, it was like elephants on parade on the red carpet. Referencing something that cannot be ignored. The series of billboards along the highway were like elephants on parade, capturing everyone's attention. This phrase has been used in literature and media to evoke imagery of grandeur or to describe scenes with a significant visual impact. It's a great way to add color and life to your descriptions, making them more vivid and memorable for your audience. We hope this exploration of elephants on parade has been as fun and enlightening for you as it was for us. Idioms like these enrich the English language, adding depth and color to our conversations. So next time you see or hear something that's impossible to ignore, you might just think of it as your very own elephants on parade. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!